back to another episode of our week. Today's very refreshing, and so you're officially tuned in to RNG Diaries. I think today is very different. It's a bit different today. Bakit nga ba?
I think kasi we're gonna talk about a very controversial topic.
Which is
Ganito na lang. Let's start it with um, kung paano nyo siya makikilala.
okay, go.
Sige, imagine working your life na lang, paying taxes, struggling with inflation, right? Only to see someone your age na they are living in they are living in luxury kasi yung parents nila is very powerful. And that's where our hot take begins.
Tang ina, tungkol saan yan? Nepotism yan at its finest. I'm pretty sure it is. Tama o mali? Tama o
na
tama?
ano, na ano.
I feel like ito yung mga babies ng nepotism. AKA the Nepo Babies, bitch. Hindi ko yan yun.
Yeah? Oh,
Ano may tinanong ko kanina?
okay, what's your hot take with this?
No, I don't think I have any hot take kasi I have a very popular take on that, and I think half of the population ng Philippines only, would agree. Kasi I think yung culture ng nepotism sa atin is way different than I think international nepo babies. I can name a few, but like we're gonna stay intact sa local nepo babies natin, ng mga problematic. But like dito kasi very ano ba, I don't know, very less accountability, more on flaunting yung culture ng nepo babies natin. Would you agree?
Yes. Why not? Kasi, di ba, sa generation kasi natin, pag sinabi mong Nepo babies, ano nga ba? Sila yung from the family of corrupt, pero fino-flaunt pa din nila yung money from pera ng bayan. Kahit
Yeah,
aware
but
sila.
I think that's where the question comes in, na parang, okay, let's say they were born into wealth, like big wealth talaga. Do you think it's also their problem na parang they should also be held accountable and responsible for their parents' mistakes? Alam mo yon, which is corruption, which is stealing money from the taxpayers, such as ourselves. Alam mo yon?
Actually, yes. Accountable pa din sila kasi aware sila. And aware sila na yung ginagastos nilang pera is from the money of Filipinos. Right?
Yeah, oo, honestly.
Oh.
Kasi I
Tapos,
think yung mindset nila, that's where it comes in na parang, I'm underage, alam mo yun, I'm a minor, so parang, what do I have to do with any of this? Kasi parang, it's my dad, it's my mom, ganun, ganun. Ako, I'm just busy partying my ass off or spending another night in another country while half of the population is starving. Alam mo yun?
aware ka sa nangyayari. Pero wala kang ginagawa kasi ang gusto mo lang, you live the life of the luxury.
And that's their choice. So I think, hindi, like sinasabi mo natin na dapat silang ikulong. Hindi naman, di ba?
Hindi naman sila, pero their parents. Pero if they are aware, they can be held
Oo.
responsible as well. Kasi yung pera na ginagamit nila is not their parents' money, but the money of the Filipinos.
Mhm. And okay, may question ako. Do you think sa lahat ng Nepo babies na, kasi nag-resurface yung issue na yan, like way back, di ba? A few months ago, actually, all over social media. Do you think they deserve yung hate? Alam mo yon, hate and anger towards them from every Filipino? Like,
For
sa
me,
tingin mo, deserve
yes.
ba nila yun? Tay, hindi ko
Oo, deserve
i-justify.
na deserve.
I will not defend them. Actually, deserve nyo yan. Actually, buti nga sa'yo. Kasi umiiyak sila, be. Isa pa, another question, like,
Wait lang,
if this is,
wala akong pakialam kahit masira pa yung mental health nila.
honestly, tangina,
Deserve nila.
cancelled na kami.
Kasi, yeah, deserve nila kasi, aware sila na hindi naman pera ng parents nila yun. Aware sila sa ginagawa ng parents nila. Pero they still choose to flaunt the money that's not theirs.
Yeah, but like, yung reason nila, they're gonna pull the victim card. Kasi nga, they feel cornered, they feel trapped, na parang, teka lang, why are you judging me? Alam mo yon, parang I did nothing to you guys. I'm just spending my life. Which, okay, tao ka, nagkakamali ka, alam mo yon, we're all entitled to our own opinion, lalo na
Actually, no. Kasi,
emotionally. But like, iba kasing impact na nagagawa nila eh. Lalo na financially speaking and economically speaking sa bansa.
yeah, actually, kasi,
Di ba?
um, meron, wait lang, kalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko.
Go lang, be.
Actually, yes, kasi, ano to? Nakalimutan ko ba eh.
No, ano yun? Yung mental health nila. Na some of them are getting depressed, some of them have anxiety
Yun,
attacks.
yes, kasi meron naman silang choice. May choice sila kung magsaside ba sila with that or hindi. Kasi if hindi sila magsaside, wala silang pera, di ba? Siguro yun yung nasa isip nila. Saan sila kukuha or anong gagawin nila if ano. When in fact, maraming pwedeng gawin kung hindi ka magsaside doon. For example, if you know the university series na have you heard of it?
Oo, familiar naman ako dun, te. Grabe ka naman sa akin. Pero
Yeah, kasi
anyway, go.
meron kasi isang book yung university series na yun. Meron isang book doon, which is yung family niya is from Corrupt. Pero
Mm.
she's actually a model. Self-made siya. So instead na nag-side siya, late niya rin kasi nalaman na corrupt yung family niya or yung parents niya. And then, nung nalaman niya yon, hindi siya nag-side with her family. Instead, nakalimutan ko na kasi yung pinaka-whole story. Pero um, I'm not sure kasi kung nag-ano siya doon, kung talagang kinat off niya yung family niya or kahit papaano, ano pa naman, connected pa naman, pero hindi talaga siya nag-sign. So, gumawa siya ng way niya na nag-work siya as a model. Parang self-made talaga siya. Ganun. Like, katulad nun, yun yung hindi deserve ng hate. Pero
And
kasi
kasi, because she did the right thing.
oh,
Even if character lang siya, ha?
yes,
Diba? She's not a real person.
yes,
But the
pero,
character portrays someone who did the right thing.
yes, pero kasi dito sa Pinas, ano nangyayari?
And oo, totoo. And like, imagine, kakasabi mo lang kanina, imagine working your fucking ass off for weeks, for years, spending time sa work, overtime, and then you find out na, fuck, dito lang pala napupunta lahat ng pera ko. Alam mo yun? And
Oo,
like,
kaya,
going back sa mental health, na talagang wala akong pake. Kung umiiyak sila, I don't really fucking care. Actually,
wala
deserve
din akong
nila.
pake kung ma-depress sila.
Wala akong pakialam
Aware sila.
talaga. Honestly, tatawanan ko pa kayo. Kasi, like, why do they feel sad? Or bakit ganito na yung nasi-feel nila? Like, right now, when they got called out, na they got exposed and everything, why now? Like, dati hindi naman kayo depressed. Dati hindi naman kayo, you don't feel, alam mo yon, di ba?
Kasi dati wala pang nakakaalam na
Pero
ang
like right now, kasi they're just sorry na kasi ngayon they got caught, they got exposed, kaya sila ganyan na. I think it's just the initial reaction of someone who's guilty. Alam mo yon? And I think ang word of the day natin today is accountability and responsibility because those two go hand in hand, especially with the state ng country natin.
kasi they can still have the responsibility.
Tuloy,
Oh, yes, kasi di ba generational wealth becomes generational corruption when no one actually dares to question it.
and
Tsaka,
oh, like what you said, the history repeats itself. Nothing's gonna change. 'Di ba?
oh, tsaka luxury, syempre without transparency will always raise questions. So, saan galing yung pera? Malaki ba ang sweldo
Mm.
kapag nasa politics ka?
Siyempre naman, te, malaki bulsa ng mga 'yan because the taxpayers are giving them a hefty amount of money. Kaya sa kanila nanggagaling 'yon.
Yes. Tsaka, it's their choice. So, katulad nga nung sa university series na isang book doon, you may not choose your family, but you should always choose your integrity.
So that's a wrap for today's very refreshing and controversial. Charot, I don't think it's controversial if it reaches the right audience, bitch. 'Di ba? But very
Yes.
refreshing and very raw lang talaga yung energy, the vibe of this episode. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed it, dearies, and we hope to see you on our next episode next tomorrow. Bye!